Hi students. Now last video, applications of derivative, fourth parts, approximation. ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹಾಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಎರರ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ differentiation find the approximate values of value of 255 raised to 1 by 4 using differentiations. Here using the calculus, here find the approximate values of 255 to the power 1 by 4. In last period we know that the approximate values of the given functions x changes to x plus delta x, then f of x plus delta x approximate value is exactly equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. Delta x is the small changes of x, then find the approximate or the changes of y, approximate values of the given functions. Here also first assume that the given function is a power function, that is f of x is equal to x raised to 1 divided by 4. First identify the functions. The function is power functions raised to 1 divided by 4. This function is differentiable and you identify the values of x. Clear? You get this value is a perfect fourth power values. Then you get simplification is easy. That value is nearly equal to 255. Here you know that 4 raised to 4, this value is equal to 254. Therefore you can take x is equal to 4. 256. You take the values, it is a perfect fourth power. It is clear? 256. Therefore you said that the delta x, the changes of x, this one is x plus delta x, x is equal to 256, then delta x, x plus delta x minus x, you get 255 minus 256, you get minus 1. And you know that the derivative of f of x with respect to x, f dash x equal to power functions x raised to n, n means 1 by 4 into x raised to n minus 1, 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 4. It is clear? Minus 3 by 4. It means its value is 1 by 4 into x to the power minus 3 by 4 means x to the power 3 by 4, x cube whole to the power, or you write x to the power 1 by 4 whole cube. It's clear? Therefore find the value of f of 4 values. F of x, x means 256 values. What is the f of 256? This value is equal to 256 raised to 1 by 4. You know that this value is 4 raised to 4 to the power 1 by 4. Therefore, this value is equal to 4. 256 is 16. It's clear? 16 square, 256. 4 raised to 4. And you get the value of f dash of 256. Here also find the value of f dash of 256. What is f dash x? 1 divided by 4 into x. 256 raised to 1 by 4 means 4. 4 cube, it means 64. again this value is equal to 1 divided by 256. It's clear? We know that the value of f of x plus delta x values is approximately f of x plus f dash x into the changes of x. This one is the approximate values. Clear? Therefore, f of, here you are taking x is equal to 256, delta x is minus 1, plus into minus minus 1, its value is f of 256 plus f dash of 256 into minus 1. This value is equal to f of 256, you know that its value is 1. Therefore, f of 255 is equal to plus into minus minus, f dash means 1 divided by 256. 1 divided by 256, and simplify, you get its value is equal to, here f of x means x to the power 1 by 4. Therefore, f of 256 means 255 means 255 to the power 1 by 4 is equal to 4 minus 1 divided by 256. You know that approximate values 1 divided by 250. It's clear? Suppose here multiplying 4 divided by 1000. This value is equal to nearly equal to 0.004. Right? Therefore, this value is approximate up to 3 decimal place, nearly equal to 38. Right? This value is equal to 3.996 is the approximate values of 255 raised to 1 by 4 here using the calculus. This one is just to remember the formula, the f of x plus delta x value is always equal to approximate values f of x plus f dash x into delta x. That one is the approximate values, x changes to x plus delta x. The similar type problems, find the approximate values of, using differentiations, find the f of 201, where the given functions, here function is defined. Find the approximate values of f of 2.01. The given function is equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Suppose the function is defined, f of x is 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Then find the approximate values of f of 2.01. It is very simple, 2 mark questions. The solution, here the function is already defined. The given function is a polynomial functions, 4x square plus 5x plus 2. The given function is polynomial functions, 4x square plus 5x plus 2. This function is continuous and differentiable. Therefore, here you get the derivative f of f dash x equal to differentiating the given functions with respect to x. 4x square, you know that 4 constant, x square means 2x, 2 into 4 means 8x, plus 5 is constant, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, derivative of 2 is 0. Then find the value of x, approximate values of 2.01. Therefore, here directly you get in terms of, put x equal to, take the value of x is equal to 2, and or therefore you get the delta x is equal to, you know that this one is x plus delta x, x equal to 2 means delta x equal to 0.01. You know the formula, this values. It means here also you have find the value of f of 2 values. Before finding f of x plus delta x, first find the value of the functions when x is equal to 2. You know that f of 2 value is equal to 2 into 2 square is 4 into 2 square, 4 into 4 plus 5 into 2 plus 2. This value is 16 plus 10 plus 2, its value is equal to 28. When x is equal to 2, 2 square is 4, 4 into 4 is 16, plus 5 into 2 is 10, plus 2, you get its value is 28. and f dash of 2 is equal to, what is f dash of 2? 8 into 2 plus 5. Clear? 16 plus 5, its value is equal to 21. And we know the formula, f of x changes to x plus delta x, then this value is equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. This one is the standard results. Therefore, here substitute the value of x and delta x values. X is equal to 2, delta x is equal to 0.01. 0.01, the value of delta x is. This value is equal to f of 2 plus f dash of 2 into 0.01. This value is f of 2.01 is equal to f of 2 means 28 plus 21 f dash of 2 into 0.01. This value is 28 plus 0.21. This value is 28.21. Easily you can calculate the approximate values, or near very close to that value, or that value is equal to 28.01, the value of f of 2.01. Suppose similar way you can find the approximate values. The same formula, 5-point textbook problem 001, where f of x is given. Given function is against the polynomial functions x cube minus 7x square. Okay. 7x plus 15. Find the approximate values of f of 5.001. The similar type problems using differentiations. Find the approximate value of f of 5.001. The given function is f of x is equal to x cube minus 7x plus 15. Here also the given function is f of x. It is a polynomial function, x cube minus 7x plus 15. This function is polynomials, therefore it is continuous and differentiable. Then find the derivative of f of x, f dash x. Its value is equal to power functions 3x square minus 7. And you take the values of x is equal to, here find the value of 5.001. Here take the value of x is equal to 5. And the changes of x 5 to 0.001. Therefore, you can take delta x equal to 0.001. Then find the values of f of 5 values, value of the functions. At the point x equal to 5, 5 cube means 125 minus 5 into 7 means 35 plus 15. It is clear? This value is equal to 125 plus 15, its value is 140, 140 minus 35, 105. It's clear? And also here find the value of the derivative of the functions when x is equal to 5. When x equal to 5, you know that f dash x equal to 3x square. X square means 25, 25 into 3. What is the value of 25 into 3? 75 minus 7. It's clear? 5 square is 25 into 3, 75 minus 7. Its value is equal to 68. 75 minus 7 means 68. And also you know that f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. Then find the approximate values of x plus delta x values. X means 5, delta x means 0.001. Its value is equal to f of 5 plus f dash of 5 into delta x means 0.001. This value is f of 5.001 value is equal to f of 5 means 105 plus f dash of 5 means 68 into 0.001. This value is 105 plus 0.068. Its value is 105.068 is the answer. Very easily you calculate the approximate values using the formula x changes to x plus delta x values. Delta x is compared to x is very less. Then here find the approximate value of the functions. These are using the first formula, finding the approximate values, right? Next, using find the error. Here you know that the changes of y with respect to the changes of x. X changes is very less. Here y is equal to f of x is a real valued functions. Changes of y is delta y. The changes of x is delta x. Actually, you can say that suppose you can changing x is very less, then find the changes of y. Here you know the very formula, the changes of y is depends on the rate of change of y with respect to x and the changes of x. It means this value is f dash x into delta x. It's clear? Using this formula, you calculate the next problems or solving the next result. The problem is find the approximate change in change in the volume of a cube find the approximate change in the volume of a cube of side x meter increasing the side x meters increasing the side by 1%. 1%. Find the approximate change in the volume of a cube of side x meters increasing the side by 1%. Suppose this one is the cube, you know that this one is a cube. The side of the cube, side is given that cube means all sides are equal. This one is x. The approximate change in volume of a cube beku namage the changes of cube. It means here find the error of the calculations of volume of a cube. Yavaga this x meters ide the side idu increase agide esto 1% increase agide 0.01 unit increase agide. Side increasing by 1%. The side of a cube is x. Side 1% increase adre, it means the measurement of error is 1%. 0.01 unit idre. What is the calculations error of volume of a cube? Hagidre volume nalli change aguvanta values enagirutte. What is the error? ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎರರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಬೈ 1%. ಗಿವನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ side is equal to x meters. It is given the side is x meters of a cube. Side is x meters of a cube. It is given. Given that this side is changed 1% of the side. The delta x is equal to 1% of x. It is clear? The delta x, given that the delta x means the changes of side. 1% of the side. Here x is arbitrary values, not a fixed values. X meters ಗೆ increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 1%. It means x divided by 100. Side is increasing. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1% increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 10 ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದ್ರ 1% increasing side. 20 ಅದ್ರ 1%. 100 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ 1% is increase. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It's clear? ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ. Then find the approximate change. And you know that V means volume. Therefore, you know that delta V, the changes of volume of a cube, approximate values. That value is equal to, you know that, the derivative of V with respect to x into delta x. This one is the formula. The approximate values of delta V, the changes of approximate changes of volume of a cube when the side is increased by 1%. Here we know that the volume of a cube is equal to, when side is equal to x meters, x unit, then volume is equal to x cube. Then the rate of change of volume with respect to its side is equal to 3x square. It is clear. The rate of change of volume with respect to side is 3x square. Therefore, the changes of V, the approximate error of V is equal to, you know the formula dV upon dx, its value is equal to 3x square into delta x. What is the value of delta x? X divided by 100. It's clear? 1% means this value is equal to 3 divided by 100 into x cube. This value is 3 x cube divided by 100. 3 divided by 100 into x cube. What is x cube? That one is the volume. Therefore, the volume is here positive values. 3 divided by x means therefore volume is increasing. Yes, here a side is increased. Therefore, you can take in positive values 1% of x. Therefore, the volume is increasing by 3 by 100 means 3% of the volume. Volume is increased by 3% of volume. Your side is increasing by 1%. The volume is increased by, simply you say that 3%. That one is one times asked in CET 1%. Another times just changing 2%. The same question is asked. Suppose the side, find the approximate change in surface area. Of a cube of side is x meters, decreasing. Right. Decreasing the side by 1%. The similar type questions, here find the calculating error of surface area of a cube. The side is x meters of a cube. Given that the side is changing 1%, decreasing. Decreasing means minus 1%. That value is minus x divided by 100. That value is a decreasing meaning. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸೈಡು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ದ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿ ಎಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ surface area S is equal to 6x square in a cube. Remember the formula. This value is changes with respect to side, decreasing. It means the uniform changes. 6x square means 12x. Therefore, the approximate changes of surface area, here you know that ds upon dx means 12x into the changes of minus x divided by 100. It means here plus into minus minus, minus 12x square divided by 100 meters, square meters. You can say that that value is equal to surface area is increasing by. It means surface area means 6x square. Therefore, you can write minus 2 divided by 100 into 6x square. 6x square means surface area. It's clear? Minus 2 divided by 100 means it is 2% of the surface area. Minus means decreasing. Therefore, surface area is decreasing by 2%. side is decreased by 1% ಆದರೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಬೈ 2%. 2% ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ 1% ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ 3%. 3% ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು 1% ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ 3% ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 2% ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. It's clear. Then suppose x is equal to the side equal to 10 centimeters or 10 meters. Suppose you can taking side x is equal to 10 meters. It is decreased by 1%. 10 meters ಗೆ 1% increase ಇದು decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then find the surface area changing or ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎರರ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. The radius of a sphere is measured The radius of a sphere is measured 9 meters. The radius of sphere is measured as an error, measurement error. With an error of 0.03 meters, it means 3 centimeters. Measurement error ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3 centimeters or 0.03 meters. Approximate then find the approximate calculating its surface area. Find the approximate error in calculating its surface area. The radius of a sphere is measured. Suppose this one is a sphere anta tagondre, you can measuring the radius. The radius is measured at 9 meters. Either measurement error or scale error is 0.03 meters, 3 centimeters. ನಾವು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ಎರರ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಅದರ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರುವಂಥ ಎರರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಐದರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಈಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ 9 ಮೀಟರ್ಸು. ಅದರ ಎರರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0.03 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 3% ಎರರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. In centimeters, 3 centimeters, it's compared to 9 meters, 0.03 meter is negligible. Then find the calculating error of its surface area. Here also you can taking solutions. Take R is radius and S means surface area of a sphere. Is given sphere, surface area of a sphere. Here given that R is equal to 9 meters and calculating error of R means delta R, the changes of R either increasing or decreasing, 0.03 meters. Suppose here given in centimeter is converted into meters, already is given meters. Then find delta S. Here finding the delta S. It is clear. S means surface area. Here find the delta S values. You know that delta S is equal to the rate of change of S with respect to R into delta R. This one is the approximate changes of surface area. Here, what is the S? And you know that the S is equal to surface area of a sphere 4 pi R square. The derivative of surface area with respect to its radius 4 pi constant, R square means 2R, it means 8 pi R. Clear? When r is equal to 9 means its value is equal to 8 into 9, 72 pi. The rate of change of surface area with respect to radius. Square units. It's clear. Therefore, the error of calculating error of surface area, its value is equal to 72 pi into delta r. What is delta r? That value is equal to 0.03 meters. Yes. Delta s is equal to 72 pi into 0.03. Its value is equal to 72 pi. Pi means 3.142 equal to 6.78 cubic meters. All right, 6.78 cubic meters. The changing very less 0.03 meters, 3 centimeter ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಾರಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. Square meters. It is clear? The square meters, because it is the surface area. The delta S is changes 6.78 square meters. ಇದರ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 6.78 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The similar type, one more problem. Suppose the radius of a sphere is measured. This value is equal to 7 meters. The radius of a sphere is measured as 7 meters with an error, suppose here 2 meters. Then find the approximate error calculating its volume. Volume nalli ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ the same methods. R is radius, S means volume of a cube. Of a sphere. R is equal to 7 meters. Calculating error, measurement of error is 0.02 meters. Here finding the changes of or error of calculating error of volume. Then you know that delta V is equal to dV upon dr into delta r. It's clear? Then here you know that the derivative of V, here you know that V is equal to 4 by 3 into pi r cube. Therefore, derivative of V with respect to r is equal to 3 cancels, 4 by 3 into 5 constant, derivative of r cube means 3r square, 3 cancels, 4 pi r square. It is clear? 3 cancels, 4 pi r square. Here r is given that 7, its value is equal to 4 into 7 square, 49. 4 into 49 means 196 pi. It is clear? 49 into 4. Its value is 196 pi. Then the calculating error of volume. dV upon dx 196 into pi. What is dr? It is equal to 0.02. Right? 0.02. Here also you can calculate 196 into 3.142 into 0.02. Approximate value. Its value is equal to 6.02 cubic meters. Here calculating error is very less, 0.02 meters. Then volume is changed in 6.02 meters. Now 2 meters 0.02 centimeter error ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವಂಥ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ very big, 6.02 cubic meters. These are here using the calculating error. Here using the formula delta y is equal to dy upon dx. It depends on rate of change of y with respect to x into the changes of x. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ the changes of y depend ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ x is changing very less, the y changes is a big values. This one is the approximations. Yeah.